Hi, I'm Sebastian, author, speaker, and spiritual teacher. This morning, I was struck by how three separate moments, one from A Course in Miracles, one from a book called The Cloud of Unknowing, and one from my dreams, came together like puzzle pieces. And what they pointed to was home. Let's start with A Course in Miracles. It says, "You and your brother stand before the veil of sin, thin as gossamer, and Christ is on the other side. The veil is not solid. It lifts when we raise it together. And from that holy place, Christ returns with us, not leaving us, but returning through us." This dream I had, it felt like I was left behind. I couldn't find my way home. I'm sure you've had one of those. My date had been thrown out of a Broadway musical, and I was alone in the city with no money and no help. And yet the second dream brought me home again. Not to peace necessarily, but to a house full of my family, some alive and some had passed, all crammed together, surviving, barely coexisting. And in the middle of all of it, I tried to make toast, and it caught fire. And a native Indian man I didn't know appeared quietly, put it out, and disappeared. And somehow I felt saved. Then I read from the Cloud of Unknowing, which describes four stages of Christian life: common, special, singular, and perfect. It said God pulled me graciously upward from a common life to something more sacred, and now I live in the singular, being prepared for the perfect. Isn't that what these dreams were showing me? I'm not abandoned. I'm not stuck. I'm returning home with Christ in me. The veil is almost gone. Even the burnt toast, the offering gone wrong, is met with divine help. Because even when I'm surrounded by the past, the light has already begun to shine through me. So today, if you feel like you're in between, lost, half returned, misunderstood, tired, remember you're almost home. The veil is lifting between you and your brother. And Christ, He is already in your face, in your hands, in your dream, in your family, and in your next step. Thanks for being here with me. If this message touched you, I'd love if you'd share it with someone who may need it today. And if you need any prayers, please put it in the comments below.
I can't believe how much zeroing out has helped me reduce stress. You've got to try it.
Work for me can get time-consuming and stressful at times, but zeroing out has really changed the way I look at my schedule and my time.
Such a step above any other book I've ever seen about this topic, and it's such a simple technique, and I'm able to do it by myself, which I love.